As Arkansas Tech University prepares for the return of students to campus, please allow us to share some important safety information as well as procedural changes for the 2020-21 academic year. As you know, COVID-19 has changed many things in our daily lives. In order to keep you and the rest of our Arkansas Tech community safe, here are several recommendations. Student daily health screening procedures. Before you arrive on campus each day or leave your residence hall, please complete the Student Health Screening Questionnaire. If you answer yes to any of the questions, please stay home and call the Health and Wellness Center for further instructions. Visit www.atu.edu/pandemic-recovery to view the Student Health Screening Questionnaire. It is imperative that students who are sick isolate and seek treatment from their healthcare provider or from the Health and Wellness Center on campus. Personal precautions. Members of the ATU community are required to wear a mask during times on campus. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, covering all surfaces of your hand. Hand washing should be performed after you've been in a public place, after using the restroom, before eating, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing your nose, anytime hands are visibly soiled, and after touching frequently touched surfaces such as door handles and counters. Hand sanitizer for personal use will be valuable in preventing the spread of COVID-19 while on campus. ATU is increasing the amount of hand sanitizer available to employees and students, so please use frequently. Cleaning protocols. Disinfectant wipes and disinfectant sprays are recommended to clean surfaces throughout the day that may be contaminated. Increased cleaning protocols will be in place in public areas and classrooms, as well as for objects that are easily contaminated and high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs and light switches. Detailed information about cleaning protocols can be found at www.atu.edu/facilities. Social distancing. While on campus, students should maintain social distancing guidelines and stay at least 6 feet apart from others. Students should avoid large gatherings both on and off campus. While in public areas, including elevators and restrooms, masks should be worn and social distancing should be maintained. Signage. Finally, you will also notice new signs throughout campus buildings, providing instructions and reminders. Please take note and read this important information. Follow traffic flow signs and directions to allow for social distancing measures. Your health and safety is our priority. Following these recommendations will help protect you and others so that together we can fight on.